Among the 113 Pakistani Hindus who are seeking refuge in India, many of them are women. They narrate horrific claims of molestation, kidnappings and rapes. They claim that the perpetrators of these crimes against Pakistani Hindu girls avoid punishment by forcibly converting them and marrying them against their will. In Sindh, there is a rise in such cases, and these women are increasingly being referred to as the stolen brides of Sindh.
These women have travelled from across the border, their eyes brimming with tears and fear. On their lips, broken words. They claim that in Pakistan, they were hounded, harassed, raped and forced to convert.
The one major concern that these people have is the safety of women back there in the region, in the Sindh region where they have been living. And this young lady here has been telling me over the past many hours about how the condition was. आप बोलिए आप किस तरह की डर है, किस तरह की जुल्म होते हैं वहाँ आपके औरतों के?
से औरतें नहीं निकलती हैं बाहर, शहर में नहीं जाती हैं, घरों में रहती हैं, बस डर लगता है, उधर नहीं जाती हैं। बच्चों इसलिए हम इधर आए हैं, बस बच्चे सुधर जाएं, हम सब कुछ इसलिए छोड़ के आए हैं, बच्चे सुधर जाएं, उधर बच्चों को पढ़ाते नहीं हैं।
These women say they lived in perpetual fear of being abducted or raped. They say victims prefer to stay silent to save their lives.
बहुत हमारे को दिक्कत है, हमारे जाने में भी दिक्कत है, शहर में भी जो गांव में जाते हैं तो बहू बेटियों को बुरी नजर से देख जाते हैं, गालियां निकालते हैं और इतने बच्चे को उठा के ले जाते हैं। जो हम बोलते हैं तो हमारे को गोली के शूट कर देते हैं।
The men join in, giving their side of the story, saying that they helplessly look on as girls were picked up, raped and then married off to the accused to evade any illegal action.
हाँ, काफी हुआ है। एक बच्ची को उधर मार डाली थी, गला घोट के। आपकी बच्ची? नहीं, हमारे पड़ोसी की थी। वहाँ जो घर से निकलते हैं हमारा डर होता है कोई उठा लेने लगे, उठा जाते हैं तो पैसे मांगते हैं, बस 10 लाख रुपया दो, 10 लाख 20 लाख तो बच्चे के छोड़े, न तो उसको शूट कर देते हैं। इसलिए हमने बोला आगे हम शाम को 6 बजे के बच्चे बाहर नहीं जाते हैं कोई।
According to the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan, in Sindh province alone, almost 300 Hindu girls are abducted every year and then forced to convert against their will. Conditions of Hindu women living in Sindh and Karachi is the worst. According to Karachi Hindu Panchayat, at least 20 to 22 cases of rape and forced conversions are reported every month. These refugees now living in India are reflective of Pakistan's tormented minority communities. It is evident that in portions of that country, the rule of law as guaranteed by the Constitution of Pakistan is subverted, and narrow fundamentalist ideology scares off people to seek shelter on Indian roads. With Durga Nandini and Munish Devgan, Chandni for Headlines Today.
We'll stick with this on the bulletin. A group of 113 Pakistani Hindus that travelled to Delhi are making desperate pleas to the Indian government to extend their visas and let them stay on in Delhi.